What's going on, everybody? It's Chip Walton. I'm here at Northern Brewer HQ. I have myself a wee bit of the black stuff, as they might say in Ireland. This is our dry Irish stout beer kit, fitting because what I want to share with you today is that we have just published our newest Northern Brewer University online course. This one's part of our Brewing to Style series, featuring Irish ales, those often very simple, often very sessionable beers that are delicious year-round, but become of specific importance to the beer drinker and beer brewer's calendar around St. Patrick's Day, because there's nothing better than having on tap your own handcrafted, well-balanced Irish red ale or dark, roasty, dry Irish stout for the occasion. Had a blast putting this class together, and I want to walk you through it real quick and tell you what to expect if you take this course. In this class, we look at the official and unofficial Irish ale styles, starting with style guidelines, key ingredients, and a little bit of history. To demonstrate how it all comes together in the pint glass, this also includes a walkthrough of the brewing processes for the all grain and extract versions of Northern Brewer's Irish Blonde Ale, Irish Red Ale, and Dry Irish Stout recipe kits. Then, in what has become my favorite part of all of our Brewing to Style classes, I talk one-on-one with brewers to get technical advice, brewing tips, and recipes. Mark Hunger, brewmaster at Great Lakes Brewing Company, talks us through the brewery's award-winning Conway's Irish Ale and Wolfhound Dry Irish Stout. Then, homebrewer Brooks Edmond and pro brewer Ryan Foltz of Poor Man's Brewing Company talk about their Pro-Am craft beer project formed out of Brooks's homebrew recipe for Lucy's Irish Extra Stout, which you'll also have access to as a downloadable bonus to the course. While this video might be fun and educational for any general beer fan, it is specifically geared towards homebrewers, whether extract or all grain. The brew day footage was really fun to put together, and this class includes some seriously geeky stuff, especially when it comes to designing the malt bill for these kinds of beers. If you're not familiar with the ingredients, equipment, and processes involved in homebrewing, we'd still love to have you, but we also suggest you check out our introductory courses to extract and or all grain brewing linked below. It's also worth noting that our full NBU catalog also includes Brewing to Style classes on Imperial Stout and Cold IPA, with many more to come. We are about a month out from St. Patrick's Day, so if you've got Irish ales on your to-brew list and want some fun ideas, inspiration, and education, please join me at our new Brewing to Styles class on Irish ales. I will put that class link in the video description below. I'll also link to all of our Irish ale beer kits, both extract and all grain versions, as well as our Kilty Pleasure variety pack, where you get all three of those kits. Sláinte.